Welcome to Dongguan Fei Xia Industry and Trade Company Limited, your trusted partner in clean room and hospital construction solutions with 15 years of expertise. As an integrated company offering R&D, production, and sales, we specialize in clean room doors, hospital doors, PVC roll-up doors, air showers, FFU, and clean room wall panels. Our factory is equipped with advanced imported machinery, and our skilled technicians bring over a decade of experience, strictly control each step of production. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 and products have passed CE, UL certification testing. We also have an office in Thailand, supported by a professional engineering team, ready to serve Southeast Asia and beyond. Dongguan Fei Xia is proud to have a professional and dedicated business team. From pre-sales consulting to after-sales support, we provide comprehensive, high-quality services to ensure your projects run smoothly. Our team is committed to understanding your needs and delivering tailored solutions with exceptional attention to detail. From operating rooms to clean rooms, our products are custom-engineered to meet your specific needs. We combine cutting-edge technology with strict quality management to deliver efficient, long-lasting solutions. Trusted by clients in healthcare, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and more, our solutions enhance cleanliness, safety, and operational efficiency in facilities worldwide. Dongguan Fei Xia Industry and Trade Company Limited, your expert in clean room integrated construction. Choose us for quality, reliability, and innovation. Looking forward to cooperating with you from all over the world.